Welcome friend to my YouTube channel, My Journey. Today we are going to solve accountancy question of class 12 from DK Goel, chapter number 2, change in profit sharing ratio among the existing partners. So let's start. Before starting, please subscribe my channel. So let's start. So first question is, X and Y were partners in a firm sharing profit in the ratio of 5:3 with effect from 1st April 2021. They agreed to share profit equally. Calculate the individual's partner's gain or share sacrifice due to change in ratio. So here X and Y were partners and they are doing partnership business. Their profit sharing ratio is 5:3. This is the old ratio, and they decided from 1st April 2021 they will share equal profit. Here we have to find individuals partners gain or sacrifice. So this is old ratio of X and Y, 5:3, and new ratio is equally, that means 1:1. Now the calculation of sacrifice or gaining ratio. The formula is gaining ratio or sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now X ratio will be 5/8. Here 8 is coming by adding these two, that is sum of ratio is 8. So 5/8 minus 1/2, 1 is the new ratio. So this is old ratio and this is new ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. Now take out the LCM of 8 and 2, we get LCM 8. Now divide 8 from 8, so we get 1 multiply with 5, we get 5, minus, put here minus, divide 8 by 2, we get 4, multiply that 4 with 1, we get 4. Now subtract 4 from 5, we get 1/8. So this is 1/8 part, that is X is sacrificing. So this is X sacrificing ratio 1/8. Same way Y's ratio. This is old ratio of Y, 3/8, 3, and its sum 3/8, and new ratio is 1/2. So old ratio minus new ratio. Take out the LCM of 8 and 2, we get 8 LCM. Divide 8 from 8, you get 1, multiply 1 with 3, we get 3. Now subtract, put the sign of subtraction here. Divide 8 by 2, we get 4, multiply 4 with 1, we get 4. Now subtract this, so we get minus 1/8. When we subtract 3 minus 4, we get minus 1/8. So this is the gaining ratio of Y. Here Y's gaining ratio is minus 1/8. So here we can see that X has sacrificed 1/8 of its share, whereas Y has gained 1/8 share. Now make a note here that the negative value of is gaining and the positive value is sacrificing. Here Y's ratio is minus 1/8, that is negative value. So it will be gaining ratio, and X getting positive value 1/8, so it is sacrificing. So this is the solution of question number 1. Hope you like it. Let's see question number 1B. A, B were in partnership sharing profit equally with effect from 1st April 2021. They agreed to share profit in the ratio of 4:3. Calculate the individual partner's gain of sacrifice due to change in ratio. So question means A and B were partners in the partnership and they are sharing their profit equally. So they decided that from 1st April they will share their profit in the ratio 4:3. Now we have to calculate their individual gain and sacrifice ratio. So like previous sums, here the old ratio of A and B is 1:1 and new ratio is 4:3. Now calculate the sacrifice or gaining ratio. So formula we know, old ratio minus new ratio. So A's ratio is 1/2, this is the old ratio, minus new ratio 4/7. Now take out the LCM of 2 and 7, we get 14 LCM. Divide 14 from 2, we get 7. 7 multiply with 1, we get 7. Minus, minus. Again 14 divided by 7, we get 2. 2 multiply with 4, we get 8. Now subtract 8 from 7, we get minus 1/14. So here we get minus, that means it is gaining ratio. So A's gaining ratio is 1/14. Now same with B's. B's ratio is 1/2, this is old ratio, minus 3/7, this is new ratio. Now take out the LCM of 2 and 7, we get 14 LCM. Divide 14 by 2, we get 7. 7 multiply with 1, we get 7. Now divide 14 by 7, we get 2. 2 multiply with 3, we get 6. Now take out 6 from 7, we get 1/14. So this is positive. Positive means it is sacrificing ratio. So B is sacrificing ratio is 1/14. So we can write here as A's gain 1/14 share, whereas B's sacrifice 1/14 share. So hope it's clear. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and like it. Thank you.